Imagine this, you're scrolling through your niche and there is a viral video that's absolutely crushing it in your niche. What if I told you that in just a few clicks, you could take that viral content, transform it to speak directly to your audience's deepest pain points, and position yourself as an authority that they cannot ignore. No more guesses on what's gonna work. I'll show you exactly how to use NoteGPT and ChatGPT to make all this happen. And trust me, this is gonna change the way you create content forever. So let's dive in. If you don't know who I am, my name is Dr. Melina, and I've helped over 75 health coaches, doctors, fitness influencers, and wellness experts build their personal brands and scale their businesses to 6 figures, the same way that I did, using simple, repeatable systems like the one I'm about to teach you today. Now, I get it. You may be thinking, but I'm not a tech expert, Mel. Or, will this actually work for my audience, Mel? Trust me, I've heard it all. The truth is, you don't need to be a tech whiz or have some massive following to make this work. What you do need is willingness to follow this strategy step by step, and I'll walk you through every piece of it right now. And it's only gonna take me a few minutes, so stay with me and good luck. All right, guys, so this is gonna be epic. What I'm about to show you, it's gonna cut out so much time. Let's dive into it without further ado. So let's say you're a holistic doctor that wants to talk about IBS, like the root cause of IBS. You're maybe like a nutritionist or a functional holistic health coach, and you haven't done enough content and you don't really know where to start, what to do to make it an effective video. So what I'm going to do for you today is to make your job and life so much easier. I want you to go ahead and go to notegpt.io, and this is going to be a game changer for you. The purpose of NoteGPT is to basically transcribe different YouTube videos for you. It does have different features, which we're not going to get into right now. And the other one that you're going to need is ChatGPT. So if you don't have a ChatGPT, if you don't have the $20 a month version, go ahead and do it. Like, why don't you have it, first of all? And second of all, go ahead and have it, because I'm about to drop so many other trainings for you on how to make your life easy as a health coach. So with that being said, let's go back to the concept. Let's say, yeah, you are like, okay, I really want to talk about the root cause of IBS, and I want to know, where is IBS coming from and what is missing out and why we see it every day. So what you want to make sure is that the video is kind of an outlier within that creator. So for example, outliers are the videos that have higher average views than the rest of that creator's video. So let's say Bella, she is a functional nutritionist. She's talking about the root cause. Let's quickly check her profile out. She has 1.84 thousand subscribers, and this video, like if I click on her channel, you'll see that this video is at 14,000 views. So this is a pretty good video. Like, it is an outlier. The rest of her videos are getting a few hundred views, a few thousand views, but that one is pretty good. So you click on it, you want to go ahead and grab the link, and you want to go to your NoteGPT. So you want to log in to your NoteGPT, get started for free, and what you want to do is drop the URL and ask it to summarize now. Once it goes and summarizes it for you, there's a summary, the key insights right here, and there is the actual transcript listed out over here. So all you have to do, this is a shorter video, it's only 8 minutes, so no worries, we can make something work. Copy the text, and you can also download it if you want to. I'm not going to download it, I'm just going to copy it, and go to ChatGPT. Just make sure you have primed your account for a health account. So kind of talk about your goals, your business, who your ideal clients is, who you want to serve, who you don't want to serve, what are the typical pain points or awareness points that you need to bring for your specific audience. So with that being said, once your ChatGPT knows a bit more about your business, you can go ahead and use it. So I would say something like this. So I want to drop a YouTube video that's an outlier in health niche that talks about the root cause of IBS. I want you to rewrite this for me using my voice and personality and target health audience. The video should change to include functional medicine and holistic health doctor's perspective regarding the root cause of IBS. Make sure you use proper intro, hook, and also good outro for me to grow my YouTube following? Are you ready? Always ask it because you want to make sure that it is ready for you. Okay, this is from a previous copy. This is the script. Perfect. Now it's going to go ahead and regenerate that. So as we can see, you know, this is her specific situation, her specific case. I'm not sure why you have terrible gut symptoms, no explainer. You know, it's basically bringing her story in a sense, but for us, it's going to be about our business and our people. So as you can see, this kind of rewrote the whole thing. What we want to do is redo this video, understand how it got viral, its structure, its formatting, and redo it in a way where you're simply presenting info on the root cause of IBS from a functional, holistic doctor, nutritionist vision. Make sure the hook intro is YouTube viral worthy and it has a good outro. Do not add Bella's own story in there. Keep it educational. I haven't used this account for health a lot, but the more you talk to it, the more it primes for your specific audience and needs. Perfect. Let's see. Okay, this is the one. And you got to see if you agree with it as a health professional. Like, yes, it is about gut infection. It does involve gut dysbiosis, the imbalances in the gut microbiome, and leaky gut can definitely cause it as well. Perfect. Purely educational and professional, and that's all you would do. So how long of a video will this be? You want to make sure it's not too long or too short. 6 to 8 minutes long. If you want, you can ask it to redo it to where it's about 10 to 15 minutes. Can you redo this so that it's about 10 to 15 minutes long? But it's not necessary because even her video is an 8-minute long video. But I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to even expand on it. Let's see, main content. And this, my friend, is exactly for you. You have not like randomly decided what to talk about. You have used a proven concept that people are interested in hearing more about, and you have created a YouTube video out of it. Obviously, if you want, feel free to add your own twist to it. And if you're like, Mel, I have no freaking idea what to say and I'm gonna get so confused and all that, all you have to do is just say it word for word. You don't even need to be creative. And if you want to be creative, you totally can be. But the most important thing is that the first 60 seconds, your hook, your intro is super important. So stick with it. Make sure you have a good outro so that you can grow your account. And the rest of it, either freestyle it or say it word for word in a scripted manner. But with that being said, I'm gonna see you back on my phone. Now you know how to take viral videos and make it work for you, tailored perfectly to your audience, their struggles, and their goals. But remember, tools like NoteGPT and ChatGPT are only as powerful as the strategy behind them. So start experimenting with this, but don't stop there. If you're ready to really elevate your content game and want proven systems to take this to the next level, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And if you're serious about getting results, check the link in description for more training. And I've also made a playlist that I update on a weekly basis. Let's keep building together. Bye for now.